Alright you guys, welcome back to my channel for part 2 of the homeschool revamp video little mini series that I'm doing. Part 1 showed you guys where we started, what the paint colors we chose were, and we have been working bit by bit whenever we have a free day or a few couple of hours in between traveling and enjoying summer break with our kids and work and normal life to get this schoolroom painted. I really wanted to have all of the painting done before we started traveling a lot in July because I know that our new school year start is going to sneak up on me with having weeks gone, you know, traveling and enjoying summer, but still needing to like get a big project like this done. So right now, I just picked up the camera. You can see the ladder is still out. I just finished rolling the remainder of the walls. Over the weekend, Jake did the trim, finished doing the trim, and then I'm the roller, designated roller. And so I just finished the second coat on all the walls. So we are officially done painting now, which is going to be part 2 of the videos that I'm doing. Is going to show you guys how I'm rearranging the furniture in my schoolroom. When I announced kind of that I was going to do like a homeschool revamp type thing, I think a lot of people assumed I was going to be buying all new furniture, all new and stuff, but that's just not what I wanted to do. I want to work with what I have. I don't need to get all new school desks just because I feel like doing something new. Painting and rearranging and just better utilizing the space now that my kids are older. You know, I wanted to work with what I had. So really, I haven't really bought anything new. I am gonna be buying myself a new desk chair because I've just been sitting on an extra dining room chair, and my husband actually is the one that was like, you spend a lot of time editing at night in that chair, and I think you should really invest in getting yourself something more comfortable. And I was like, you're right, I do sit there for longer than I think. So I am gonna get a new desk chair, and then I probably will just get a few new little decor pieces because now that my walls are painted, I really don't want to put things back on them. I just love like the clean, simplistic look. I will of course put a few things back up, but I'm not gonna be putting everything back up, and definitely not in the same spots it was. So anyways, that's what part 2 of this video is gonna be, is me rearranging the furniture in the schoolroom, cleaning the schoolroom because from patching holes and sanding, like everything needs a good dusting, vacuuming, getting all the paint supplies put away. And then the third video will be the tour where I show you guys how everything turned out. And so yeah, I'm so excited that I'm done painting. I am gonna start with putting away all the paint supplies because we are done painting, and I can now get ladders and all the stuff that I've been having up here for so long out of here. Okay, so here's a little overview of the room. Like I said, I'm gonna do a whole tour, but I wiped everything down. I dusted everything, got all the dust from fixing the walls and patching nail holes off, vacuumed the rug, and I kind of have things where I think I'm going to keep them. I may move things around, and you guys will notice that in the tour. I don't have anything on the walls yet. I'll show you where I've been keeping all of that stuff. But yeah, so moved some furniture around, shopped my own house with a fake fiddle leaf over there, just kind of rearranging things. Quite honestly, based on this comfortable chair needing to be near Olivia's desk. That was really kind of my motivation to rearrange the room. The chair is actually a pretty large chair, and so if you watch last year's tour, you'll be able to see like how I had things, but I'm thinking this arrangement will work out better just because I spend so many hours up here and I need to be near her. She's my youngest, and I don't want to have to tell her, come bring it to me, you know, so when she's working independently, so I wanted to be right next to her. So I think I'm gonna leave that there, but you guys will be able to see all of that in the tour. So now I need to show you where I have been keeping all, and I'm washing linens today, but I have been keeping all of our homeschool room decor stuff under my bed, and you never realize how many things you have until you like put them under your bed. So I am going to get all of this out from under my bed and put it in the center of the room on the rug so I can visualize everything and see what I want to put back up and what I do not.
No telling where it goes, driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
Wall. Oh my goodness, look at this. It covers a whole 8x10 carpet. So yeah, we had a lot of things on the wall. Like I think I said this on Instagram, but now that the walls are like freshly painted and just so clean and nice and shiny, I'm really not wanting to put everything back on the wall. I want it to be more like simplistic, but I still want it to be, I don't know, our schoolroom. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do all this. We'll see what I end up keeping and what I end up getting rid of. There were a few things that like were really difficult for my husband to hang, like this wire thing up there. So when I mentioned doing this redo of the schoolroom to him, there were certain things he was not willing to redo. Moving the mount for the whiteboard, he was not willing to redo, and moving the wire, he was not willing to redo. So some things had to stay where they were. And like I said, I'm not really buying anything new. This is all stuff that I had. I just want to change up the way that I had it. For example, I had these IKEA white shelves here in the center, and although I loved the way that it looked, it wasn't really functional because I could utilize that wall space there with this vertical bookshelf now, which I actually need that versus just like having shelves that look cute. So anyway, I'm gonna try to figure out where I want to put things, but I'm only gonna put it up right now if I'm absolutely sure that that's where I want it.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Alright guys, it's night now, but I think I've narrowed it down. So that is gonna be my giveaway to friends pile. This is gonna be like my Goodwill pile. I'm still not decided on if I want to hang those posters back over here. This is my trash bag, the vacuum, but I think I have all the furniture arranged like I want it. I added things back up on the walls, which I'll go over in more detail once I do the tour. I need to get my chair. That's something I'm still gonna need to order. Yeah, but I think this rearranged room is gonna work well. Those are school supplies that I'm not gonna go ahead and put into all my kids' desks just yet. I'm gonna wait until we're a little closer. But yeah, I think I got the room cleaned, got all the paint stuff put away, and got most of it organized. Moved the printer out here, but I'm gonna go over everything more in the tour. I just wanted to share like glimpses. I think that utilizing this space rather than having shelves is gonna work out well. So you guys will have to stay tuned for the finished product tour once I get like the chair and everything else that I want to do. So that is gonna be it for this video of basically rearranging and cleaning the homeschool room after painting it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm excited to show you guys our refreshed room once I get it all done, and I will probably talk about why I do choose to have like a dedicated homeschool room in that video. So if you're kind of wondering why I do that, or why I do a little bit of school downstairs and then a little bit upstairs, I can explain that a little bit more in the tour, so stay tuned for that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. If you haven't seen the other ones, go and watch them if you're looking for like motivation to re-energize your space. I didn't even buy anything new. This is all stuff I had. I just rearranged it and it feels like completely new, which is the best. So hope you guys are doing well. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one really soon. Bye guys.
And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.